gloxysite free Robux on Roblox review. App the pros, the cons. If you're searching for free Robux in Roblox, you might stumble upon gloxysite. Most people get this wrong by thinking all free Robux sites are legitimate, but the surprising truth is that these platforms often pose security risks. Pros: the site may offer a fun interface that lets you explore potential promo codes or surveys, giving a sense of engagement for Roblox fans. Some users enjoy the idea of earning small rewards, though results are inconsistent. The cons: the reality is that free Robux generators are mostly scams. Users risk account theft, phishing, or malware, and Roblox officially warns against using such sites. Completing surveys or sharing personal information usually does not result in Robux rewards, and accounts can even be permanently banned. In short, the pros are minor exploration fun, while the cons are high risk of scams, unreliable codes, and potential account loss. The takeaway: gloxysite is not recommended for safe gaming rewards. Stick to official Roblox promotions to protect your account. If this review helped, like and subscribe for more gaming app insights.